Hello, family. Today I'm going to make a hamburger potato casserole. It's got tomato soup in it. I don't know what it's called, but I grew up eating it. My grandma loved to make it for me, so I needed some comfort food, and that's what I wanted. It's easy and it's delicious if you like tomato soup. Let's do this. Okay, I'm starting with hamburger, and I put some garlic powder, pepper, and salt. I'm going to add onion. Let that cook a little bit. I have the oven on 375. We're just going to let this cook up a little bit. I got my potatoes cut up here. This is the greatest thing they ever invented. Because I like everything that is, I like everything the same, like little cubes and okay. That's all it is. Potatoes, hamburger. I have a large can of tomato soup, onions, and a bag of frozen peas and carrots. It's actually a comfort meal that I grew up on, and I don't know. I started some new medication a few days ago, and I have to give myself injections every day, and it's for my back and my bones. Bones in my back are not good right now, so. But I'm just, it's doing really well. The only thing is that I've lost my appetite. So I thought, maybe if this old favorite dinner from when my grandma used to cook will help encourage me to eat. I've been having a smoothie every day, a fruit smoothie, but that's about all I want, and I can't live on that. So, okay, got that done. I'm just gonna add this here. I'm gonna pour it all together. Like I said, I have my oven on 375. I'm gonna check the hamburger. I'm going to throw in these peas and carrots. Frozen, that's okay because they're all going in the oven. This is looking good. I'm going to go ahead and add some butter, because it's always good with butter. Yeah, I made some really good cookies, which I'll upload that video soon here. And I think I ate 2 of them, and it's like, then I started taking that injection, and it's like, I don't want cookies. And I told you, I asked God to bless the medication and no side effects, which I don't have any of the side effects that they said that you could get are common. I didn't get any of those. They only ask that you don't drive for a week until that, well, so you can monitor your blood pressure, which I haven't noticed any trouble, but I am on heart medication, so that's probably why they told me that, but I haven't had any trouble, so. But yeah, it was I guess it was a benefit. I guess I gave you a benefit that I'm not that hungry. I did try to have some spinach and romaine and kale salad yesterday, and I ate part of it, but not much. I love kale and spinach, so we'll see if this will get my appetite going. All right, that's done. Now we're just going to dump this in here. This is so easy, and I'm telling you, I don't know if you like tomato soup, plain old tomato soup. This is really good. Okay. Yeah, the big blessing was that I did not have to pay anything for that medication. My insurance covered the whole thing, and I don't know, some kind of a program that assists with co-pays paid the co-pay, so it was zero. I take it every day I give myself injections every day for I think a year, so I get a supply every 28 days or something like that, and it gets delivered to me. How nice is that? Okay, dump this whole can of tomato soup in here. Give it a mix. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. And I did put a little salt and pepper in the hamburger, so I'm not going to do that. I think that's good. And I haven't made this in like 2 years, so. Okay. Just dump it in here. This freezes really well, so I can freeze little packages of it. Okay, now I will cover this with foil, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it until the potatoes are tender. And that's all. We'll be back shortly for you. Okay, I just pulled this out of the oven. I had it in there because I like to get it at a certain texture. So I had it in there over an hour, hour and a half. And the last half hour, I upped the temperature to 400. But this is the way I like it. We're going to let it cool down before we try it. There you go. Give you a good bite here. It's hot. Like I used to tell my kids, you have to foo-foo it. You know, foo-foo. Foo-foo. Hmm. I'm pretty sure I can eat a little bit of that. That tastes so good. Yum. Making myself eat. And check out the scripture that I put up here because it's very important for what I'm talking about in this video. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.